If you guys are new on playing Csgo and if you want to configure your ping, this is how you're able to do it. So this setting right here is you want to put this on the lowest as possible, which is 25 milliseconds. So what this does basically is to tell the Csgo matchmaking to find your match on the nearest possible closest server ever. Then also your bandwidth, most Wi-Fi today have a lot of bandwidth, so you should be using all of your bandwidth. There's no need to be so scarce about it. Just have to. And this is how you're able to find the server closest to you. For me, I live in Indonesia, and the closest server would be Singapore, around 15 milliseconds from the capital city of Indonesia, and the second nearest server is Hong Kong, which is 45 milliseconds. And yeah, this is how you're able to solve your ping issue on Csgo 2 if you're